Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Jane.
Yeah, hello, boy. I want to find out how can I get my housekeeper here. The thing is, he's worked in India, in my house in India in the village for 2 years.
Right.
And then he applied for a visa to come to this country.
Yeah.
And he got the 2-year visa, which was a holiday working visa.
Right.
He worked here for a year.
Yeah.
And one of my sister-in-laws is a cancer patient, so at the same time he looked after her as well.
Right.
Then he went back to India before his visa expired last year.
Yeah.
His visa expired in December.
Yeah.
And then now, my sister-in-law, who's the cancer patient, she's in India now for 2 months. So he's again there looking after her there in India now.
What it is, you can only call domestic workers over, right? So these are people who work for you in your house in India. Now, the shart is that you have to be going to India regularly yourself.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Right? So if you live in India, say like out of 12 months, you live 3 months, 4 months, 5 months in India, then you can call your workers over as long as they've been working for you for a year.
Right, okay.
See, and that all depends on what he said when he came here first as a working holiday. Did he tell them that he used to work for you in your house when he came over?
That I don't know.
He probably didn't, I'll tell you that now.
No, I don't think he has.
Right, so now all of a sudden they're going to say, well, how come you've become a servant, somebody's servant? When you went to England, you were this X, Y, and Z. So they might look at it a bit suspiciously.
Right, because now he's there at the moment now.
Yeah.
So for the next couple of months.
Well, he has to be working in the person who's going to call him over in that person's household for at least a year.
For at least a year,
and there needs to be evidence of that.
Yeah, so if he's there for a year and then we try to apply for his visa after that...
You can, but they still might say, you see, hold on, you went on a working holiday, you've never been a servant before in someone's house, how comes you've become one now? We just think it's a ruse for you to go back to the UK. They might hit you with that. It's a bit like me saying, well, hold on, I'm a farmer, and I've come over to England for 2 years, and then I realise I come back, and I say, oh, hold on, now I've become a servant now. They're going to say, hold on, you've never done that before, why you become someone's servant in a house? It's usually meant for like gardeners, cooks, drivers, you know, stuff like that. I mean, if you can prove it, you can have a crack. But, you know, you're going to have some issues. If he hadn't come here before, that might be a difference. And also, I've got a suspicion that he probably got his working holiday maker on an appeal.
On an appeal, I think he did, yes, you're right.
In which case, they would have, some relative here would have gone to court on his behalf and said, no, look, he's our cousin or something, we're sponsoring him over, he's got a good lifestyle back home. And blah, blah. And then all of a sudden they're going to say, well, hold on, you can't have had that good a lifestyle if you're, if you're mopping up someone's kitchen floor.
What is can I ask you another question? What is a judicial review? What does that mean?
That means when you think a decision is wrong in law and you take it to the High Court.
Right, okay.
Yeah. But it's a very technical case and you have to ask permission from the court before you apply for it.
Yeah, I know that. Okay. All right. Thank you for your help.
Okay, take care. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. So, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੌਕਰ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਿਤੇ ਘੱਟ ਆਉਣ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਆਉਣ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੈਨੂਇਨਲੀ ਨੌਕਰ ਹੋਣ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਘਰ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੰਗਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹ ਖੁਦ ਵੀ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਹੁਣ ਜੇ ਫਰਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਮੈਂ 10 ਸਾਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨਾਲ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਨੌਕਰ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਉਹ ਬੁਲਾਉਣਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਆਪ ਤੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਫਰਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਿਆਣੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਲਾ ਜਾਂਦੇ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਨੌਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਦਿਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ 'ਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਛੋਟੂ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਬਿੱਲੂ ਆ ਨੂੰ 2 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪ ਵੀ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਦਿਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਏਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ 2 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਵਧਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਵੀਜ਼ੇ ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅਰਬ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸ਼ੇਖ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਨੌਕਰ ਵੀ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣੇ ਗਾਰਡਨਰਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣੇ ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਚਲੋ ਹੁਣ